Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review something pretty cool I have received, and it's electric cleaning brush. So it comes in this box. So looking at the box we see that it has a very strong engine and it can rotate to every direction. Also it's waterproof and low noise. Let's open it up and see what we got inside it. Something pretty cool actually, like this. So this is our device. This is our electric engine in here. So let's turn it on like this. So it can be used for cleaning actually, like this. You can put it on something so it can clean. It's something very cool actually. You can increase the speed. It has 3 modes. You can actually put this one in here. So this is a USB-C charging. You can simply close this. Oops. Well, the connection is not the best quality, I would say. So if you're not careful, you may simply break this. But the concept is pretty cool. So imagine you want to clean something, just simply use this one. This is the way to go. We have also got the extra heads in here. Let's have a look. Like this. So we have got this one. This can connect actually to this one. So like this. And we can actually simply change the head like this. This sits in there now. There we go. You can turn it on like this. And we're good to go. We also have these two actually similar to the washing material, or well, the sponge for washing dishes. We also have got this one to clean the device itself, and this one I'm not sure what it could be, and maybe I've got a user manual as well. So it explains what are each of those, so what the name of each thing is. It has 5 watt power, IPX7, so 230 grams. The usage is quite easy, and we also have this head, which is just a normal sponge. So all in all, it's a perfect thing actually. It would simplify a lot of cleaning. For cleaning the bathtub, or let's say tiles or things like this, I think it's perfect. So you don't need to do by hand anymore. Just simply put this and turn it on. Well, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked it. If so, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos on a daily basis, and make sure to stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you and bye bye.